One of the easiest video editing softwares out there would be CapCut. It's less intense in order for you to learn and start editing your own videos. Yusuf Kolamari asked us to do a voiceover tutorial on any of these softwares. We chose CapCut. So Yusuf, you're going to open CapCut, whether it's on your phone or on your laptop or computer, and then you're going to start creating. It's going to ask you to add a video or an audio or a photo. So if you want to do a voiceover, you could use any of these that are selected here. Obviously, it wouldn't be audio on top of audio, but you could do it on a video or a photo. So you would click on import, and then you would go find the picture or the video that you would like to add voiceover on. Then you select it and click open. So this process is very similar on your phone or your laptop. You'd go and add the picture on your software. And then you're going to click and add it to your timeline or your track so that it shows like this. In order for you to add audio, you're going to select this record button, and then it's going to show you where you could make adjustments of the volume, the echo reduction, mute, etc. And you could also choose the microphone. If you're using an external microphone or a built-in, you would select that there. Once you're ready, you're going to click on the start record button, and then it's going to count you down, and then you will start the recording. So here goes nothing. Counting down. The number one rule when it comes to YouTube is get them to click on your thumbnail as soon as possible when they're scrolling. So that means you're going to create amazing thumbnails. Number two rule. Once you're done, you click on done, and then you can close your record, and then it would add the audio below the video that you've added on your timeline. So that is how you add a recording. So if you wanted to listen to myself, we could do that. Click on your thumbnail as soon as possible when they're scrolling. That is how you do a voiceover on a picture or a video. For a full CapCut video tutorial, go watch this video on the screen. If I've added value, please smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video.